Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. My name is Parnika. On behalf of Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes, I welcome you all here. Today we'll be talking about what a Windows is, who developed the Windows and how can we switch on the computer. So let's move. First, we will be talking about just a quick summary of what operating system is. Once again, operating system is a system software. System software is very much necessary for the functioning of a computer. It is basically an interface between the user and the computer hardware. If the operating system is there in the computer, then only the computer will work. Otherwise, the computer would never ever get switched on. So, operating system is very much necessary for a computer. So, every computer must have at least one OS. OS stands for operating system. These are some of the examples of operating system. These are the logos of the operating system. Linux, Unix, MS-DOS, iOS, Android, Windows. These are all the logos of the operating system available in the market. Now, the operating system is divided into two parts. One is the CUI, the other is the GUI. Once again, one is the GUI, which means graphical user interface, whereas CUI means character user interface. Now, we'll be seeing a quick difference between both of them. GUI stands for graphical user interface, whereas CUI stands for character user interface. GUI is said to be very user friendly because it has an interface which allows the user to interact very easily with the computer. You have to just select things, you have to just click on the things, on the icons present on the computer, and your program would get opened. But whereas once we talk about CUI is not that user friendly, just because under this we have to write commands which can be more than one or more lines. So the text is in computer understandable language. Whereas in GUI is said to be very easy to use, just because in this you have to click, you have to select and click, and the particular program will get open for you. But once we talk about CUI, it is difficult to use. Now we'll be talking about Microsoft Windows. It is one of the most widely used operating system world over. It was developed by Microsoft Corporation. In 1985, the first version of Windows operating system was introduced. Okay, some of the versions of Windows are Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. The latest version which is used world over widely is Windows 10. So these are the logos of some of the Windows which you can see here. Windows 1, which was introduced in 1985, then Windows 3.1 in year 1992, and so on. So the current Windows which we are using, the latest one is the Windows 10. Okay. Now we'll talk about how to switch on a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. So whichever machine is available in the market, it has a procedure for turning on and turning off. Similar is the case with the computer. Computer also has a different method to turn on and turn off. The key points here are: starting up of a computer system is called as booting, whereas switching it off is called as shutting down. Once again, starting up of a system is called booting and switching it off is called shutting down. Now I'll help you to see a video. In this video you'll be able to see how can we turn on a computer. So let's see.
Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi Rini, I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Clicko?
Sure, Rini. I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Clicko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini.
So by now students, you might have learned what a Microsoft Windows is and what are the different steps to turn on a computer. So stay tuned and watch the next video.